Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why China is a superpower. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its global influence. China's economic might, driven by its massive population and industrial output, positions it as a major player. Its strategic investments in technology and infrastructure further solidify its standing on the world stage, impacting global trade and development significantly. China's economic strength is undeniable, largely due to its role as the world's largest exporter. Its manufacturing capabilities are unparalleled, producing a vast array of goods for global consumption. This economic engine has fueled decades of rapid growth, averaging nearly 9% annually, and built substantial foreign exchange reserves, exceeding $3 trillion, which underpins its financial stability. Beyond economics, China's technological advancements are rapidly reshaping global innovation. It's a frontrunner in areas like 5G, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing, driving future industries. Concurrently, its military, the People's Liberation Army, is the largest globally, undergoing extensive modernization. This includes substantial investments in its naval and aerospace forces, projecting its influence far beyond its borders. China's geopolitical influence extends through its active participation in international organizations, shaping global governance. The ambitious Belt and Road Initiative further expands its economic and political reach, connecting numerous countries through infrastructure projects. This strategic engagement solidifies its position as a major global power. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Its continued rise presents both opportunities and challenges for the international community, demanding careful consideration of its evolving role.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.